Okay, this damn storm's been going on for quite a while now. I just shoveled this about 20 or 30 minutes ago, and it's back up again. You gotta figure I'm about 5'7", and all the snow I've shoveled out of the way comes up a little bit past my hips, but it's still coming down like fucking nothing else. So I've basically given up on shoveling this crap until tomorrow when it's done. And I just bought my beautiful 74 yesterday, hoping this shit wasn't going to be this bad, but of course I was fucking wrong and I can't drive it. So, but I live right down from the VDOT supply unit in Culpeper, and well, that's the best they can keep the road at all. And they come through here, I don't know, 4 or 5 times or 6 or 7 times in a short amount of time, and right there's a tractor's about to fucking hit me. Better get the fuck out of the way. Yeah. So this shit's getting deep as hell. Yep. There goes probably a VDOT worker, and there comes one of the VDOT trucks. They don't seem to be having much of any problem at all. So, yeah, this snow shit doesn't seem to want to end at all. So at certain spots, let's see, right here where I've shoveled and stopped, I'm fighting to get through it, and yeah, I'm not even at the bottom yet, and that's up past my knee. This stuff ain't nothing. I've lived around here in Virginia for all my life, and I've never seen anything like this. This shit's fucking ridiculous. And they talk about fucking global warming. Global warming my ass. It is fucking cold out here. What the hell are they thinking? So, I don't know. I got bored, saw these videos on YouTube of the blizzard of 2010. Oh my god. Yeah. Actually, here's a better explanation of where I haven't shoveled. And I'm starting to disappear past my knees through this shit. Yeah. It's just a little fucking deep. Not gonna fight my way back. Oh, that's fucking cold. Motherfucker. Yeah, out front we got a power line down. And what do you know? Like always, when you need something to be done, Virginia Dominion Power ain't there. So needless to say, I ain't gonna step foot in that front yard until they fix that sumbitch. So yeah. And I don't know, I'm still really fucking bored making this video. Don't really know why I'm doing it, but you know, fuck it, I'm bored. So yeah, well, I've made videos of trucks doing burnouts and stuff like that. I haven't really done one on weather or any of this stupid shit. But I'm so fucking bored. And I can't